much. So, my name is Dimitri. I'm a founder at Taiga from RSA University. And what we're working on are extended reality human-machine interfaces. And realistically, what that means is that we want to take your mind and we want to put it into the body of a robot. But because we don't really have a matrix-like interface right now, we can't jack into something, the best we can do is use virtual reality. And it's actually pretty good. VR right now is the only technology that lets you take a person's mind and transport it into a virtual world. So why not take it and transport it into a virtual body? What that would let us do is create avatars for people to work safely in mines, for people to help in disaster relief situations, or perhaps explore the bottom of the sea, build the next space station, or the ship that will take us to Mars. And this is one of our early prototypes. If it will play. Okay. It's not a video, evidently. Are you guys using a PDF? So, because the video doesn't work, we're going to make the rest of the videos work later. What we're working on is fairly mathematically heavy. And that's okay, because this is a problem I'm passionate about, but you might not be. What I want to emphasize more than anything else here is that STEM, and mathematics specifically, is not a tool for you to solve a problem I'm passionate about. It's a tool that lets you solve any problem you want, anything you may become passionate about in the future. It's a way for us to model the world, to describe it, to understand how it works, and to change it. If you can understand how things fall, you can keep them from falling. If you can understand how things move, you can make them move in amazing ways. And this is using exactly the same mathematics as anything else that the other fantastic presentations described here today. If you can add just a little bit of a capacity to understand the world around it, if you can add the ability to recognize people and cars, you can suddenly drive across the city without ever touching the steering wheel on your car, using exactly the same foundations as Boston Dynamics. Or maybe you want to do something completely different. The same linear algebra applies to creating new video game systems, applies to creating virtual reality. You can make game engines. You can create interactive experiences for somebody else to see. Or perhaps you want to make old photographs come to life. You could work on AI applications that take something that already exists, and I'm pretty sure this specific use case was inspired by the Harry Potter newspaper. I'm not sure, but somebody spent 4 years of their life recreating that scene from Harry Potter, and that's amazing. And you can do exactly the same thing. Or, if not that, maybe you're interested in finding out where our imagination comes from in the first place. If nothing else, what I want you to see is that you should study mathematics because you will be passionate about something, and it's the only tool that will truly let you change it. Right now, we live in cities and towers of glass and steel. We can talk to anyone in the world instantaneously, and we can go across the world in a few hours, and soon across the solar system. If you want to change the world, study math.